talking about. You think it's a game?
So let's take a ride.
Come on!
I'm about to get on some Norman Bass shit and go psycho. Shit. Gather around your speakers. Let me start fronting them early. That's what I do.
I keep saying it, I'ma quit and I ain't going back. But I'm addicted to the money, I'm a fiend for that. It got a hold on me. Shit, playing this game, a nigga done told on me. Now I'm looking for homie. I'ma book all his people, that'll bring him out. Once I catch him, I'ma put the ratchet in his mouth. Nigga got low for days, we sitting on his house. Keep a track of everybody coming in and out. Damn, that look like Keisha. We gon' find out how much he love her, cause I'm about to meet her. She don't even see me standing at the parking meter. As soon as she open that door, a nigga gonna greet her. I'ma be like, what it is? Where that nigga Tommy? How they knew my address? How they fucking find me? What it is? Show me where he at, or I'ma start murking shit, and that's a fucking fact. Bitch, stop playing with me. The fuck is that nigga Tommy at?
I don't know where Tommy's at.
What the fuck you mean you don't know where he at?
I don't know.
Bitch, get in the car and bring me to this nigga right now.
Alright.
Do I look like I'm fucking playing with you?
Alright, just put the gun down, please.
Just drive the fucking car. I keep saying it, I'ma quit and I ain't going back. But I'm addicted to the money, I'm a fiend for that. It got a hold on me. Shit, playing this game, a nigga done told on me. Now I'm looking for homie. You better not try no slick shit, cause you gon' fuck around and get your wig split. I'm in the back seat on my bullshit, laying low in case he's standing in the front like it's a pulpit. This bitch is under pressure and she should be. I could've left her where the trees in the woods be, but I'm just trying to find Tommy where he could be. That's that nigga right there, bitch, you shitting me? You thought I wouldn't find you, nigga? You let all that pussy and that money blind you, nigga? Get in the fucking trunk, we about to take a ride. Buckle up for bumps, pussy.
Stop meddling, otherwise you're gonna be sorry.
Meddling? You know what? I bet they're dead now.
I didn't say that.
You were right. Now tell me where they are, or else we'll take you to the law.
Do what you want. You are a fool. The police will laugh at you.